Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be fixing a very common problem with the Audi TT Mark II. And what it is this: the bonnet pull or hood pull, depending where you're from. See this plastic bit here, it's a very weak point and it snaps when you open the bonnet or hood. But there is a solution to this problem. So lots of solutions have come up with this. It's an alley bit which replaces the weak plastic part that you normally have. So therefore there'll be no more braking again with this. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this from the car, how to swap this over, and if you have a pre-facelift one, you will need to trim this down. And mine is a pre-facelift, so we will be trimming it down. But if you've got a facelift model, it's something you're not going to have to worry about. But cutting that bit down, it's not the end of the world. It's not going to take too long. So let's get on with the video. I'll show you how to move this off the car, and then we'll start fitting this to it.
So all you need to do is lift out very slightly, unhook the bottom of it, and then just pull it off. Simple as that.
So now with this removed from the car, we can now swap the pin over. But as I said before, on a pre-facelift one, you can see it is a little bit longer, so we will trim a bit off the top of that. So to remove this one, get a flathead screwdriver.
To release the securing clip, like that, and then pull on the pin, and out it comes. Easy, just like that.
So that is how you pull this out. Just literally pull that clip out and the pin comes out. That's all there is to it. So now we need to cut this down. As I said before, if you've got a facelift model, you won't need to do this trim, but we're going to trim that bit off now because this is a pre-facelift.
After cutting it down, I decided just to file off any sharp edges and just give it a nice little chamfer on the top.
Sorted. So now with that all filed down, there's the old one, there's the new one. We'll literally be fitting this into our handle. I'm just using some grease. You can use some Vaseline, anything like that, just to help it get to where it needs to. You see the points, you've got a small one, big one, and a big one. Small ones here. So that should just literally push in, like that. So I've just put another little bit of grease on that, just to help it slide in. Push in. Like that. So now with the new alley pin in, we haven't got to worry about that plastic bit breaking, twisting or anything like that. Now let's go and refit this back to the car.
So refitting it is pretty simple. Just lift it up slightly, put it in the hole and give it a tap. Done.
So as you can see, it works absolutely perfect. So replacing the unreliable plastic one with the aluminium one makes so much sense, and it is such a common problem with the Mark II. I'll put a link in the description of how you can get yourself one of the alley ones so you can get rid of this plastic unreliable pin. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.